guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my today's class. Today I'm gonna teach you how to paint beautiful floral illustrations in watercolor style. And I prepared for you two brush sets. The first one is actual watercolor brush set, and the second one is called Flower Builder set. You are asking me to teach you how to use this set properly, how to build flowers from the stem to petals. So I did it today and I hope you will like that. And if you're ready, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class, and let's dive into floral illustration and paint all together beautiful compositions with botanicals in watercolor style. At the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume and color variation to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint watercolor florals in a simple way and new painting technique. I will use two brush sets today, watercolor set and flower building set. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class, you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to build the flower from the petal, how to use sketch, what is composition, how to create traditional watercolor illustration in Procreate, how to use watercolor stem brushes for watercolor effects, how to use ink brushes, how to use stem brushes, how to paint picture from and without reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for watercolor painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create watercolor illustration, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my texture paper, two custom brush sets, color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file all my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level. Also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes and experienced artists, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to paint botanical illustration. Your class project will be next. Paint flowers using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil. So if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!